Hello everyone, welcome back to Astrology Today. I'm your host Mel Rose, and today is Friday, February 16, 2024. Today we are shifting gears out of planning mode and into action. But before we get into it, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click for notifications so that you will know every time I post fresh daily astrology and tarot content like I do. And as always, my friends, thank you so much for being here. The waxing half moon is in Taurus for the first part of the day. It moves on into Gemini this afternoon. This is the point in our creative cycle where we put in motion the plans we've made. The idea is to have some accomplishments under our belts in time for the full moon in Virgo next Saturday. And with Taurus vibes on the scene, we have the staying power to make a solid start. The sun is in Aquarius along with Mercury, Mars, and Pluto. It's a party in Aquarius, and look, even Venus has joined up. To be clear, these are the ruling planets for everyone with Gemini, Virgo, Libra, Taurus, Aries, and Scorpio rising in their charts. If you have those signs prominent in your chart, you likely have experienced some ups and downs this week. And I don't know what to tell you, friends. The fun isn't over. Venus in Aquarius influences our friendships and romances to be a little bit more independent, or maybe influences us to be a little more independent in the context of those friendships and romances. We're feeling that universal love, and it may sound really nice to merge with the collective in some way. We're also very curious. We're more likely to experiment with alternatives when Venus is in Aquarius. We want to gain experience so that we know the truth. Also today, Mercury is squaring off with Uranus. Mercury represents the hamster cage or vast mansion that is the human intellect. It's a personal planet, so that means this influence has to do with your individual headspace and mine. Uranus brings change and surprises, and with this square vibration, I'm hearing, do what you can to expect the unexpected. There may be a little hump to get over, but it will be worth the effort. Tomorrow, Pluto meets Venus at the door. Our receptive, loving hearts will be combined and under pressure with the element of transformation. These Pluto conjunctions can be really challenging, friends, and chances are it will feel like something different from before. Discoveries are available. Pluto speaks a different language now than it did for most of the last 20 years. It will be interesting to see what comes up. This Sunday, the sun moves on into Pisces, where it joins Saturn and Neptune in the vast waters of the final zodiac sign. And then next Saturday will be the full moon in Virgo, a vibe that will help us honor all that went into achieving our goals. And that's it for today's astrology, friends. I hope you're feeling great. If you found this episode enlightening, feel free to post 3 half moon emojis in the comments for the strong start we get to make today. And until next time, friends, keep looking up.